Hi everyone, welcome again in my channel. Today we'll introduce the third tool that is integrated with Primavera P6 software. Your project will be copied to Excel and colored and grouped like P6 style with just two clicks. But that is not all. You will customize your own background color and font properties by your own taste. Okay, let's see how that works. I will open my made previously project and let's see copy there and let's make another one, but let's collapse it to WBS level 8 and also copy it. See what is the difference. Okay, so we'll open the macro menu, sorry, and use transform to color sheet. In the in the note it says in order to work properly from A1 put the columns of your project in this order at least the activity ID and then activity name. So we have to use activity ID and activity name in this order to work, and then any columns you want. But these two must be in this order. Let's click transform, and there you go. Your project has been colored like Primavera style. Now let's group the project. You have to know that Excel limitation in grouping is limited to 8 levels only. This is the Excel limitation. After that, the WS level 8, after the WS level 8 will show all. Let's use it. It says the WS level of your project is level 8. Want to continue away? If you click no, it won't do anything. If you click yes, it will group the project. And here we go. Level 1, level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, 8 will show all. Even level 8, like level 9 or 10 or 11, it will show all. Let's use on the another project, which is collapsed to level 8 only. Let's use this transform to color sheet and then use group project. The previous warning that in the previous project, the previous project, the WBS was at level 10. It has level 10 levels of the WBS level. This one is 8 levels only. It won't show the warning message like this. It also grouped like Primavera style. Easy, right? Just 2 clicks, you made your project like the Primavera B6 style. Okay, that's not all about this tool. Also, you can customize your own background and font color of your WS, meaning, this level, level 2 WS and this level 3, you can change this color and fonts. You see there, it says a Calibri 13 and Calibri 13 blue font, black font, and green color, yellow color. Let's change these two. Simply, you go there. Let's change this to purple and change the text font to red. Let's use 16. Make it Times New Roman, like change Times New Roman style. And let's next one change background color to say this color, this light blue. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Here you go. You change your color. The text font is red, Times New Roman, size 16, and red color. And this is light blue. And that's it. I hope you like this tool. Please support by like and subscribe to my channel. And wait every month for a new tool. Thank you and have a nice day.